So it's day number 12. Yesterday we did get some more of the wall accomplished. You can see that we put down some tarps and whatnot. That way that we didn't track up all on our new pavers. And now we're going to start working on a second course of this wall stone because we have to finish grading or backfilling behind the step. And then put the top layer of the steps on, but we have to put another layer of wall block on before we can do that. Yesterday we accomplished the second section of wall through here, and down towards the end where we've been avoiding, we had to deal with that, so we went ahead and put some mortar mix down to level these wall blocks so that they're level with the rest of the wall, and they'll stay in place this way now because we have mortar. You'll see over this way we put some drain pipes in. That's for let the water drain out. Unfortunately, through this whole area, the concrete sub base that's going to be underneath is graded the wrong way back this direction. So that was part of the problem to start with this whole patio. So we put some pipes in there to allow the water to escape behind the wall. The rest of the patio will be graded out towards the front, so we don't have to worry about that so much. So unfortunately it rained all morning, so we're getting another slow start, and we'll only get best of a half day in, but we're going to try to get some pavers and sand put down through this area and finish up some of this concrete paver space. So hopefully by the end of today we'll have more blocks done here on our wall courses. A little bit done on the steps, and we'll be down to pretty much finish work with cutting and things like that to do any sort of detail work. So keep watching and I'll keep you updated. Well,